Hi, today I'm with me NAVITEL tab and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. By the same way we can add here more application just by hold the app and drag it to the folder. So if you want to give a name to the folder, click to edit name. And now just enter the new one. For example, the apps, tap to OK, and that's it. To move folder on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it. To remove application from the folder, you should just hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the home screen and from the folder, just hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.